Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to introduce this new LOHAS 9 light. This one's the 2-pack Farmhouse 9 light plug into the wall. Dusk to dawn, soft white 3000K vintage decor 9 light for bathroom, kitchen, living room, bedroom, office, or hallway. And then the second one is the LED dimmable night light with the light sensor, soft white 3000K, 30 or 60 lumen, adjustable brightness, automatic night light for kids, bedroom, hallway, or you can use it anywhere where there's a plug-in. By the way, I have to give it a shout out to their marketing team for sending me this so I can do the review for you guys to check this out. So yeah, be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description for these two items. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Here are the item descriptions. So this one is the LED night light, dusk to dawn sensor, soft light sensor, 2 brightness level, energy saving 2-pack. And here's the spec. By the way, they also have a different color that's available. So this one's the 3000K right here. And this one is the vintage LED night light. And it is made in China. So they have different colors, so all the brightness. Wonder this one is so small. Wow, it is very small. Be sure to remove this plug cover. And then there's a low or a high. Right here is the dusk to dawn sensor right here. And this is the second one. Cool. That's the LEDs. It's a sensor right here. And then there's a button right here. So this button is to change the brightness. So you could also put this on the stairway, or if you have a closet that's pretty dark that you have a plug-in, you could also put this in there as well. Pretty nice design. So yeah, let's go and then plug this in and then do some tests. Okay, I got this plug right here. We're gonna plug in and test it out. Right now it's off right now, so. So yeah, by the way, I will need to turn off the light in order for the sensor to activate. So when I cover the sensor, the light come on, okay? Let me turn it off. Let me switch the brightness so I can see the difference. And turn it back on. See the brightness? The left side is lower, the right side is higher. Wow. Nice. Let me press the switch to change the brightness. That's off or low, high. So they only have 3 mode: off, low, and high. Okay. Wow, there you go. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And be sure to check out the link that's going to show you within the description so you could check out these items out. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.